Before we get started, subscribe to my channel. On April the 6th, 2021, yesterday, Greg Abbott signed an executive order about vaccine passports here in Texas. And I think other states should follow his lead. Check it out. This is what he said right here in writing, and I'm going to show you his video. All right, again, subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'm going to highlight this right here and read you this a little bit. It says, Texas Governor Greg Abbott used his executive power on Tuesday to ban state government and some private entities from requiring COVID-19 vaccine passports to access services in the latest move of the Republican governor. This is what Greg Abbott said. Check out the video.
Every day, Texans return to normalcy as more people get the COVID vaccine. In fact, this week, Texas will surpass 13 million doses administered. Those shots help slow the spread of COVID, reduce hospitalizations, and reduce fatalities. But, as I have said all along, these vaccines are always voluntary and never forced. Government should not require any Texan to show proof of vaccination and reveal private health information just to go about their daily lives. That is why I issued an executive order that prohibits government-mandated vaccine passports in Texas. We will continue to vaccinate more Texans and protect public health, and we will do so without treading on Texans' personal freedoms.